Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Yesterday we have discussed about the enterprise structure and the configuration part of the enterprise structure like creating company and company code. Today we are going into the further details about those enterprise structure. Yesterday what we have done, we have created the company and company code. As I said in the previous video, it is just it will be created for a legal purpose, means you are creating a legal entity for your company in the SAP. Now you need to now we need to perform the other activities in the enterprise structure like creating the fiscal year variant and assign that fiscal year variant to company code, and we need to define the posting periods and assign the posting periods to company code. See, first of all, what is fiscal year? Fiscal year, you may be termed it as a financial year of your country. Financial year of a country. Financial year of a country. So we are in India. We are creating our company in India. Our company code in India means our financial year would be, what would be our financial year? It is April to March. It is April to March. And what is posting period variant? What is posting period variant? What is posting periods? Means posting period means in the financial year April to March we have 12 months, right? We have 12 months, and our financial year would be started from April. April means 4 month, and month by OTE periods. Period. In the financial year April to March, you have 12 months, and your first what is your first month for posting in the system is April. April month is 4, so your period would be the 1. Next, the May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, sorry, 12, December, January, February, and March. So here I will put it in a simple way for your understanding. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, and March. See here, April is in the posting period variant. April is 4th month in the calendar year. But coming to our financial year, fiscal year, April is the first period. Don't be confused. Just follow this table. April is my first period. May is my second period. June is my third. July is my fourth. August is my fifth, and March is my 12th period. And March is my 12th period. See this? So please just keep it in mind. Now we are going to map this, or we are going to config this in SAP. Okay, first create fiscal year. First what we need to do, we need to create a fiscal year in SAP. For that I will go to my easy access screen, and in the command box I will enter my transaction code for fiscal year variant OB29. Just it's buffering. Wait a second. Period, month, uh, description. Description. This would be my description. Yeah. Now I am entering my password, user ID and password. Right. Now I am in my SAP Easy Access screen. Now I am entering the transaction code to maintain fiscal year OB29. See here, I am going to enter my fiscal year variant. So I need to click on my new entries. My fiscal year variant would be R1. My fiscal year variant would be AS, because and the description is April to March. April to March. And I am year dependent. I am not a calendar year, year dependent. Number of posting periods, I have 12 posting periods, and number of special posting periods is I have 4 special posting periods. I will explain you what is this 4 special posting periods in later in the coming classes. Okay, somebody has created already AS, so I would change it to AK. Now select this, click on periods, again click on the entries, new entries, month April, month 04, 05, May, June, July, August. I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. I'll copy this. Okay. And my periods. See, and my periods is this. And I will copy over this. See, in April month, how many days we have? 30 days. May, 31. June. June, how many months we have? 30 days. July, 31. August, 31. September, 30. October, 31 obviously. November, 30. December, 31. Jan, 31. Feb, 28. March, 31. Okay, here the term called year shift, where we have discussed in the previous step, there is a term called special posting periods. Let me explain you, put it over here. Special posting periods, special posting periods and year shift, year shift. See, observe over in the system. Up to December, my calendar year would be the 2021 only, right? When I enter from, even when I enter from Jan to March, these three periods would be mine. What, these three periods would be mine in the calendar year 2021. So this is called, the means for this three periods, year has been shifted from 2021 to 2022. So we need to maintain year shift over for these three periods. So in the April month there is no change in year, no change. If it is no change, we need to enter 0. No change, no change, no change. See, from the 10th period onwards, what happened? The calendar year would be 2022 and the fiscal year would be 2021. Means one year is been increased. So what do you need to do is, you need to reduce the 1 year in system. So you need to enter -1, -1, -1. Oh, here 9 is been happened, 0. Okay, now this period text is not necessary. What I will do, I will transport, as I said earlier in my previous class, entire enterprise structure we can be save in one tr request, one transport request. I have been transported this to my own tr. So next, what we will do, we have created our fiscal year variant. What is our fiscal year variant is AK. Now what we are going to do, we are going to assign that fiscal year variant to company code, that is in the transaction code /n OB37. Okay, now what is our company code? You go to the position and locate your company code, ASL. Where is my company code? I am just locating my company code. AKSL. This is my company code. And here what I am doing, I am assigning my fiscal year variant. What is my fiscal year variant? Is AK. See, my fiscal year in AK. Now I will save it in my own request. So now we have defined the financial period, financial year in the system. So after completion of this, what we need to do, we need to define the posting periods. See, this is the financial year up to April to March, and in that financial year what we have to done, we need to define the posting periods, first period, second period, third period. So for that, what is the T code? I would go in my command box /n OBBO. What I will do here, I will click on new entries. What is my AK? I will keep it as simple. AK posting period OD, AK posting period, and I will save it. Then after, what I will do, I need to assign this AK posting period to company code. See, when you create any variants or when you create any variants in the SAP, you need to assign that to your company code. Only that in that particular, when you are performing your business transaction, when you assign these to that particular company code, only these settings will be work on your business transactions. This is the important point to be remembered. So I'm assigning the posting period variant in the transaction code. Again, I'll go back to my SAP. Transaction is /n OBBP, and again I need to locate my company code AKSL, and my posting period variant is AK, and I'm saving it in my transport request. Okay guys, just note it down and listen the video carefully. We will discuss the further enterprise structure steps in my next video. Thank you. Stay tuned to my channel. This is Akhil signing off.